Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to another video. Before I get started, I want to show you how the finished piece looks from our last video. I got one layer of resin on it, still needs one more, but the colors are just so deep and rich and luxurious looking. I'm just absolutely in love with them. But you know me and my primary elements. I am most definitely biased because I don't know, they're just absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, this is a 12 by 24. It's a cradle wood panel, 2-inch sides, really beautiful piece of wood. The sides are all natural wood. So if you're interested in this, you can email me artbytammy@yahoo.com. Or you can also check out my Etsy shop. The link is in the description below. I have a lot of art there for sale. And it's a great way to support your favorite artist. And I'm just showing you some different angles that you could hang this painting from. It'll work either way. Sides are still, the tape's still on, but that will be off soon. So, can we talk about this new kit that Colourarte has released, the Wildflower Kit? Comes with 12 colors. Some have not been released for many, many years. They were in the vault. Also comes with an 8-ounce bottle of Polypour, which I will explain in a minute to you. But I really just want to focus on the colors for right now and show you how beautiful and rich they are. Oh, they're just absolutely stunning. And I'm going to do, between today and tomorrow, 2 videos. One video, I'm going to do a swipe, which will be today, using half of the colors. And then tomorrow, or the next video, we'll be using the other 6 colors. So here we go. Let's look at the colors. First up, pomegranate. Oh, it is just to die for. My heart skipped a beat on this one. Really, really beautiful. And I'm purposely moving it around and showing it in the light there so that you can see the color shifting properties to that. Next up, Lucky Apple. I am a green girl, and let me tell you something. This is the bomb. It's a beautiful, vibrant lime green with, I believe, a gold shift. This one here is called Sea Spray. Beautiful light blue. Be great in your ocean pours. Then we have Royal Satin. Look at that shift. Look at that shift. See that pink? Or violet, I should say. Then we have Mango Mamba. It's a really fun orangey yellow color. Well, that's a pretty big air bubble there on my stick. And then this is Moss Green. So she does a really good job at picking out colors that everybody likes, whether it be warm colors or bright, vibrant colors. There's a pretty good mixture in there. This is called Iris Petal. Very pretty purple. And then this one is called Love You Pink. A really fun, cheerful pink. Pink, pink, pink. Gotta have your pinks. This one is called Lemon Drop. Very bright yellow. Gold shift to it. I have to say I don't use yellow a lot, and I need to start using it more. This here is Autumn Leaf, the most beautiful brown, and I'm not a brown girl, and I just love this color. And I could see adding a reddish primary element to that. Oh man, it would be spicy. This here is called Wild Blueberry, and you're going to see this shine in today's painting. Oh, I love it. Now, one of my favorite colors of all time right here is called Carmen. And like I said, these are all in this kit. And with my coupon code, you save 20% off. It's a good deal. Oh, it's just such a gorgeous red. So now I'm just showing you the tube paints, or I should say bottle paints, that I'm going to be using along with these primary elements to kind of balance them out. And Polypour. Let's talk about Polypour. So Polypour is the second part to this system. You need something to mix the pigments into. So you take those pigments or your paints, mix them into this. You can do your regular pours, but if you use a little cell activator with this product, it will bloom for you. So it's a really easy way to get blooms. And you're going to see today when I do my swipe, that's what my paints are all mixed with Polypour. And then I use a white cell activator and a black cell activator. So if you're struggling with the bloom, you buy some of this. You don't have to mess around with adding the varnish. Mix your colors in, put them on the canvas, put some cell activator on top of it, blow, and you're good to go. So here we go. I'm going to do a swipe just to show you these colors. It's not really about the art in this video, although the painting comes out beautiful. So I'm going with the Cool palette today. All right, so these are the Love You Pink, the Lemon Drop, the Iris Petal, and I'm just doing a swipe, okay? So what I was showing right there is you can do a swipe two ways. You can put the black paint right on the canvas and then onto the paint, and swipe it, or you could add the paint to your piece of swipe paper and swipe it over the colors. Now that black is carbon black with Floetrol, American Floetrol, and the carbon black is made by Golden. Now here you're going to see, this is real time. I'm showing you how slow I'm actually going. It's very important when you swipe to take your time and just try to keep your hands steady and swipe with even pressure. Now for me, I like to use either packaging cardboard from like my canvases or a piece of plastic, but you can use a paper towel. I've seen people use. I just feel like you get better pressure and you're able to keep your swipe nice and even when you use a stiffer type of material. Again, you see how slow I'm going? That is key. I know a lot of us on YouTube, you see us, swipe, 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 but a lot of times we are fast forwarding the video and it's not real time. So that's really why I wanted to show you real time how slow I was going. Another important thing to remember is you don't have to use a bloom recipe to get this kind of result. You can mix your paints with water and then just make a cell activator and swipe it over those paints that were mixed with water, and you'll get that result. The reason why you're getting that result is the Floetrol in that top paint. The bottom paints, though, there's a multiple ways that you can do that. It doesn't have to be with a bloom recipe. I personally like to do it with the bloom recipe because I like the way that it dries. It's just a personal preference, but you do not have to do it that way. If you look up swiping videos, Coz Creations, she does beautiful swipes. I will link her in the description. Really nice woman and just amazing, amazing art. And she doesn't use bloom recipe at all. So now here's the close-up. Now I just want you to see these colors because they are truly magnificent. And the piece of art isn't too bad either. I know this voiceover is a little awkward for me, but unfortunately with taking care of Clyde, and who's doing much better, I might say, you know, my timing with being able to record is off, so I had to do this outside, and it was just so noisy. But anyway, look at this painting. Look at that wild blueberry. That is that wild blueberry, and it has got me going wild. I absolutely love it. Love it, love it. Great job, Colourarte, again. And as I said, if you're interested in these colors, they do come with the bottle of Polypour, and I highly recommend the product. I truly believe in it. I truly they're just outstanding products. Now look at that black area, that violet shift. This, I cannot wait to resin and show it to you because it's just going to look beautiful. Just like all of you. So that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will be back soon in a day or two with the next part of this video. But until then, I wish you all the best and happy pouring.